طالبان وارد شهر شدن و ما داریم فرار میکنیم. مردم همه ترسیدن.
I decided to film it and to let the world know about it. The world should view that what is going on.
Είναι η Σάχρα Καρίμι, η πρώτη γυναίκα σκηνοθέτη στο Αφγανιστάν. Το βίντεο που τράβηξε με το κινητό της τηλέφωνο περιγράφοντας την εισβολή των Ταλιμπάν στην Καμπούλ έκανε το γύρο του κόσμου.
I think that I didn't know that like from morning in system of this I didn't know that and respect because Taliban entered the city. I thought to make a very important decision to leave. I was afraid of life of my nieces, my brothers, daughters. I didn't afraid of them. I didn't afraid of them at all.
Η διάσημη Αφγανή κινηματογραφίστρια έζησε τον εφιάλτη του κατατρεγμού.
The Taliban killed a few months ago my two employees, like my colleagues, two very young colleagues. So they were killed in forest. They were going back home.
You struggled for 20 years to bring the change to your country. Do you believe that there is hope now?
It's not safe anymore mostly for women. We fight for more than 20 years to bring many changes and many. We faced a lot of challenges. We lived under explosion just to be like other countries in the world.
Απογοητευμένη, το πρόσωπό της μαρτυρά την ταλαιπωρία που έχει υποστεί.
I am under pressure. This is not a usual situation. We just left our houses. We just left everything.
Το 2019 σκηνοθέτησε την ταινία Χάβα Μαριά Μαϊέσα, με την οποία ήταν υποψήφια για το Όσκαρ καλύτερης ξενόγλωσσης ταινίας.